how to use Essence Stone in Whiteout Survival. So if you want to use Essence Stone in Whiteout Survival, then what you need to do is just follow this video. Essence Stone in Whiteout Survival are used to upgrade your hero's mythic care after it reaches level 20. Upgrading this care enhances your hero's attribute, making them more powerful to use. So you actually have to get up to your level 20 mythic care. You cannot use your Essence Stone until a piece of mythic care reaches level 20. So firstly, you need to focus on upgrading your main hero's mythic care. In order to do so, you can head over to the Forms menu in your Whiteout Survival. Once your mythic gear reaches level 20, a new button called Mastery Forging will appear. You need to just choose the hero that you want to upgrade and select a specific piece of mythic gear. And then you'll be able to use your Essence Stone to enhance the gear's attribute. This could be attack power, heal, point, critical chance, and much more. Select the amount of Essence Stone that you want to spend on the upgrade. Remember, the higher the upgrade level, the more Essence Stone it will require. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.